I like to put stuff online.
Hey guys, Brainstorms here. And if you guys checked my recent video on HOLO, I warned you guys about this stock. I gave you the reasons why, and it had a pump today of epic proportions. It ran all the way to almost $10. And if you can count this, it almost ran to 11, but I don't count those wicks. I count the big bodies. But let's get into it. So HOLO, I'm looking through its financials, right? And if you were to, all it takes in this market watch is you pay $4 a month and you can go into the nitty gritty of its financials. So if you look in here, its net income is negative $8.8 million for 2024. Its recent earnings is coming up, I believe. You guys can throw me in the chat, but this it matters, but it doesn't matter in this grand scheme of things, right? We sales revenue is $40.34. I believe it's going to be higher based on its Bitcoin reserves that it's holding. Bitcoin's up. They own a lot of Bitcoin, so they are probably sailing very high right now. But let's get into this also, this article here. This is why we've seen a little bit of a push 2 days ago. And I said, hey, watch out. Is these company here has technology, and they're making technology that their proton particle readers through their scanning devices shows you the in-depth nitty-gritty, big detailed if there's any malignant things going on in your body, cancers, tumors. They're using supply systems within hospitals and other organizations to use their technology to have readings that's really efficient compared to other technologies. And then you see this most recent article that it's trying to increase their operational bad, Eli. My cat was with glass. All right, here we go. Ready? So, if you look at this stock specifically, this is trying to enhance its current technology and make it better on top of them owning all these Bitcoin reserves. And they're going to be having such a substantial growth in this next quarter or probably within the next 6 to 7 months that this company is really going to have a lot of reserves on hand. And that's what the market makers are saying, that they don't like how they have so much cash reserves on hand. Well, they're using it to enhance their technology. Look at Michael Hologram stock up on $200 million of crypto purchases. They use their cash in hand to buy more crypto, and the market makers are saying, well, I don't know if that's a sound move for this company, so they should have done it with something else. Well, look at this, what they're doing for their research and development here. So the research and development that they spent last year was 24.23 million. I guarantee you that number is going to be a little bit higher based on this most recent articles. But then you can also see that within this right here, July 11th, they just purchased more crypto. That's probably 2 days ago before this, so probably the 9th. Bitcoin just had its huge pump, and they've owned a bunch of Bitcoin already. So this company's doing well. Watch for this here. I think this could hit at least easily $10 again or even higher. I'm not going to go on to the nitty gritty of each financials. I had these up so you guys can look at it. I am not, just so it'd be for a different time. But I don't see anything that screams, oh wow, they're in debt, crying, they have nothing for them. I think this company has a lot going for them. That's why I consolidated it where it's at right now at $6.91, and it didn't completely dump right back down here to like almost to $5. I believe people know exactly what's going on, especially with Bitcoin keep on jumping. This is a company to watch out for. I've been telling this. Watch my past videos on other stocks that I've made. They've all pumped. This is what I do for a living. I do stocks. I trade stocks. This is what I do, and this is why my wife doesn't mind me sitting at home, and she's happy that I'm able to use my accounting and finance degree to be a professional trader. Come on over, subscribe to the YouTube. It shows me love, but it also just keeps me going to keep on making videos. Come over to the Discord. It's $10.99 a month. We have 6 play callers, 4 in which professionally day trade. One's a business owner, and the other one's top sales, and they're all killers it's $10.99. We have up-to-date news, everything you can to make substantial profit. If you don't make money within the first month, then I will, 1, send you feet pics, and 2, you can have a full refund. All right, guys, I really love you. Take care.